Hi, my name is Angela Huffman. I'm a dealer and educator for APQS. I have a border design I want to show you. It's really formal. It's very nice on very traditional quilts. It's called feathered arches. I've got a border stitched out here, and I've divided it into 4-inch segments. So it's a 2-inch border divided into 4-inch segments. And the first thing I'm going to do is make a large arc. And when I get to the end of that arc, I'm going to put a little circle in it. And then I'm going to build feathers around that circle. And if you are not a feather person, you could use leaves in here. Just don't forget there's all different kinds of feathers. So if feathers are something that make you kind of get all bunched up, and then I'm going to go right over the top, and then I'm going to do another arc and a circle and fill this in. So if feathers are something that gets you all bunched up, don't do feathers, do leaves, do a feather plume, find a feather plume that is easier for you to do than an over-the-top formal feather like this. So when I get to the end, come over the top, tuck myself in, and then I'm going to get ready to head towards the corner. When I approach this corner, I do have a mitered line there in the corner to show me where that 45-degree angle is. I'm going to stop just shy of it so that I can turn this corner. So I'm going to go up and over, circle at the end, then I'm going to fill that in with my feather plumes. And I'm going to head back over the top. And now when I come around this corner, I'm just going to travel around it in an arc, almost like a circle, almost like I'm putting a circle in that corner. It's just kind of a modified arc of what we've been doing before. So those feathers are going to be just a little bit different than the other ones because they're kind of in a circle. And then I'm going to come around the top until I'm ready to hop again and do another circle. And if you don't get exactly, in that chalked space that you've given yourself, just remember it's a guideline. It's not, the rule, the law of the land. So you're the quilter, you can make a decision on the fly. I'm going to come over the top, and then I would start again. And just notice when I do hit the edge of the quilt, I do leave enough room for the binding so that this doesn't get cut off. It's a really formal looking design for a border, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Thanks for watching. For more information about APQS machines, visit apqs.com or contact your local dealer. Be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you're notified every time a new video is posted, and join us over on our Facebook page. We'd love to have you join the conversation, and we'd love to see what you're working on.